This is the grand finale of my 88th birthday celebration. I thought that we did not have. Hello, can yeah. Including the last row. You can. Okay. This is the grand finale of my 88th birthday. And I thought of a unique combination. Since we have half the audience Gujarati and other half audience non-Gujarati, from South, from Punjab, from Bengal, and all this. So I thought, let me have combination. So first half of the program, our distinguished guest Surbhi, she will sing and her colleagues will accompany on sarangi, tabla, etc. And in that group of artists is one of my relatives, Dr. Uday Daftari. Please raise your hand. Okay. And I know Uday Daftari since he was in 7th grade in Baroda. His sister, eldest sister, married my youngest brother. So that's how we are related. And he's a very gifted singer, and he's going to sing a couple of my songs. And I will explain before he sings what those, when I wrote it, why I wrote it, and what it means, that song. Okay? So, all of these things, I'll give comment. So this is a highly personalized concert where all my relatives, my brother, his wife, my sister, and their family, and just everybody is listening to what is going to happen in this hall. And I hope that you will enjoy this very professional program, and it'll be a good change after January 1. This is sort of the first event that we all have gotten together. And Pilu, there is a Gujarati saying that if you find something valuable, don't put in your pocket, but share it with everybody. And that has been my nature, that when I find something good, I like to share it with everybody. And so on behalf of all of us, I welcome the group of artists, and I will request Surbhi to introduce these other musicians, and then the program will start. Okay, first half of it, I would ask Surbhi and her accompanying team to sing, and then we'll switch over to when Uday starts Gujarati song, then I will take the microphone and explain why I wrote it, when I wrote it, and what it means. Thank you.
My name is Surabhi Adesh. I have lived in Florida for a long time, and we have our music school in Orlando. My father established this school back in 1966 in another country, and we continue his work where we go. I am really excited to be here today. We were here many years ago, maybe 15 years ago or something. The place didn't look like this. And I walked in and I saw the mandir, and oh my gosh, I was so happy. I mean, and the hall has grown. It's very nice. Dr. Shahji, I've heard about you for a long time, always from Udayji talking about the poet conferences and your poetry, and he has sung stuff for me in the past. So it's a great honor for us to be part of your birthday celebrations. So something for that will be forthcoming. With me, I have, starting on my left, Sri Rudradev Maharaj. He is actually a very, very prominent tabla dhola player in Central Florida and in and around different states. He travels and plays. He's, in addition to that, he's an IT specialist, and so we have multi-talented people. Thank you for coming with us for today. On my left, I have Pratyush. Pratyush will play sarangi, violin, and he will sing a little bit. Pratyush is one of my two sons, and he's pursuing music as his passion and his career right now. On my right, I have Shanti Maharaj. She's going to give us tantra support. Now these, all three of them have been with me since they were very little. She's a registered nurse, but continues with her riyaz. She's also a sitar player and a vocalist, so another time. And then on my extreme right, we have Dr. Uday Daftari. And again, I've known him ever since I came to Florida. Before that, he started training with my father, Professor Harishankar Adesh, and my bhabi, Srimati Kadambari Adesh. And they all moved away and I moved in. And like you said, finding something in your pocket, well, I got him. So through him, through you, we are here today. And we'll present a variety of things, some new things, some familiar things in new packaging. And then I am actually waiting to hear when the poetry part starts. So I hope you all enjoy. So I would like to start with the short Hanumanji Bhajan, written music and lyrics written by my father. Hanuman जग जिसको सिया राम मिलता यशवान तुम्हारी जय होगे भक्त वृंद सम्राट। आदेश टिका जब तक अंबर जग में है तेरा नाम अमर। आदेश टिका जब तक अंबर जग में है तेरा नाम अमर। हे मायाती विद्यावारिधि फूलवान तुम्हारी जय होगे भक्त वृंद सम्राट अमर। हनुमान तुम्हारी जय होगे पवन अंजनी सुत महान। हनुमान तुम्हारी जय होगे भक्त वृंद सम्राट। So what you're seeing here, it's really, I'm not bragging. Okay, maybe I am. These children have grown up here in the United States and they pursue this and they play and they love our Indian music and our culture. So you can use this one. It's okay.
Came to all of the above. I'm going to attempt to sing a Kabir bhajan. The words, of course, are by Sant Kabir. The tune itself is by, so this is my first guru, and then another guru of mine, Pandit Arijit Mahalavas. Please forgive any mistakes you hear, those are mine. Anything good, it's just the blessing of my gurus. लाल मेरे लाल की जित देखो तित लाल देखन में गए लाल देखन में गए और मैं हो गए लाल मैं हो गए लाल बंदे मैं हो गए कृपांजन पायो मेरे भाई गुरु कृपांजन पायो मेरे भाई राम भजन राम बिना कछु जानत नाही जहाँ देखो वह राम ही राम, जहाँ देखो वह राम ही राम, राम ही राम, राम ही राम। गुरु कृपा जन पायो मेरे भाई, राम बिना कछु जानत नाही, जानत नाही। कहत कबीरा भावहीनी का, कहत कबीरा भावहीनी का, जिद देखे वो राम सरी का, जिद देखे वो राम सरी का, राम सरी का, राम सरी का। गुरु कृपा जन पायो मेरे भाई, गुरु कृपा जन पायो मेरे भाई, राम बिना कछु जानत नाही, जानत नाही। राम बिना कछु जानत नाही, जानत नाही। राम बिना कछु जानत नाही, जानत नाही। And if you know this, please do sing along. ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, बाजत बैजनिया, ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। खिलकी खिलकी उठत धाय, खिलकी पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। अंचल रज अंग धारी, अंचल रज अंग धारी, विविध भांति सो दुलारी, तन मन धन वारी वारी, तन मन धन वारी वारी, कहत मृदु बचनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। विध्रुम से अरुण अधर, विध्रुम से अरुण अधर, बोलत मुख मधुर मधुर, बोलत मुख मधुर मधुर, सुभग नासिका में चारु, सुभग नासिका में चारु, लटकत लटकनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। ठुमक चलत ठुमक चलत ठुमक चलत। Trying to match the way that this what might happen. ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, ठुमक ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। बाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। ओ तुलसीदास अत आनंद, तुलसीदास अत आनंद, देख के मुखार बिंद, देख के मुखार बिंद, रघुवर छवि के समान, रघुवर छवि के समान, रघुवर छवि बनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र। आप लोग भी गए ठुमक चलत, क्या बात है, रामचंद्र। बाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र, रामचंद्र रामचंद्र।
You know, we all are familiar with Narsimha Mehta Prabhatya. Everybody can hear me all right? Yeah. Okay. So Narsimha Mehta Prabhatya, હું દરરોજ સવારના પેલા મારા ટેપ રેકોર્ડ પર ચાલુ કરી દઉં. પછી મને એક વાર વિચાર આવ્યો કે આના આ જ પ્રભાત્યા ગયું છે તો why don't I write my own પ્રભાત્ય? તો મારા મગજમાં આ વિચાર આવ્યો ને તો મેં નોટપેડ લખવા માંડ્યું. Oh, in English. Okay, sorry. Okay. Thank you, Damini Ben, for raising hand. Okay, otherwise, I'm at ease with English and at ease with Gujarati. So I slip very quickly from English to Gujarati and Gujarati to English. But anyway, so I decided to, like Narsimha Mehta, write my own Prabhati in the morning song. So the thought that came to my mind, when I wake up in the morning, I'm not waking up myself. But in my heart, there are 3 people who are sleeping with me in a sense. Or when I sleep, they sleep. And those 3 people are like Narsimha Mehta, Kabir. So what I did was that when you wake up and you hear some natural sound, like kukda no awaj, the rooster. So I said, oh, it reminds me of Kabir. Kabir gai raha hai, Kabir is singing. If there is a flowing stream, then it's Mira na manjira wage raha. Kya Mira na manjira wage raha hai. And I narrated these 3 saint poets of Gujarati literature, as if when I wake up, they wake up with me. And so this Prabhatyu, and again being a professor and whole life doing nothing but learning and teaching, I thought of Goddess Saraswati. So I started with that line, ke heji tar vina na wage re, mara antar ma koi jage re. Ke tara Saraswati tar and vina wagadi rahi che, and it's with that sound, the 3 antar ma koi jage che, હું નથી જાગતો, પણ અંતરમાં રહેલી વ્યક્તિઓ જાગે છે. અને એનું આ પ્રભાતિયું છે. I hope you enjoy this Dinesh own પ્રભાતિયું.
नमस्ते गुरुजी, आपकी आज्ञा से मैं 2 गायन दिनेश भाई की पोएट्री गाने की कोशिश करी इस तबारी तो मैं बेस्ट कर देती आज्ञा खड़खड़ का बहता झरना जागे, झरना जागे, मंजीरा मीरा मंजीरा मीरा वागे, गिटार वीणा वागे, मारा अंतरमा कोई जागे, टम टम करता आभना तारा, टम टम करता आभना तारा, टम टम करता आभना तारा, कौने समझावे, 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 तारीना वागे मारा अंतरमा कोई जागे, खड़खड़ का बहता झरना जागे, मंजीरा मीराना वागे, वागे रे, वागे रे, टम टम करता आभना तारा, टम टम करता आभना तारा, कोई मुझे समझावे, कोई मुझे मां समझावे, आ गया नाच मशाल नैने, आ गया नाच मशाल नैने, जागे नरसिंहो नाच रे, नरसिंहो नाच रे, नाच रे, आ गया मशाल मशाल नैने, जागे नरसिंहो नाच रे, परोड़ खैने पंखी कहो क्या, परोड़ खैने पंखी कहो क्या, कुकड़े बांध पुकारी रे, टुकड़े बांध पुकारे रे, टुकड़े बांध पुकारे, कौन जगारे बहरा परोड़े, संत कबीरा जागे रे, संत कबीरा जागे रे, जितार वीणा वागे रे, मारा अंतरमा कोई जागे रे, जितार वीणा वागे रे, मारा अंतरमा कोई जागे रे, खड़खड़ बहता झरना जागे, खड़खड़ बहता झरना जागे, मंजीरा मीराना वागे रे, मंजीरा मीराना वागे रे, मंजीरा मीराना वागे रे।
When I took my formal retirement from the University of Florida, then I realized that I studied from Bal Mandir or kindergarten to MSc in India, and then I came immediately here to do my PhD. And then after PhD, I worked here all my career. So the money India spent in educating me from kindergarten to MSc, I did pay back to India. So when I took this retirement after my wife passed away, then I thought, let me go back to India and work there without any salary. so that I paid back in a sense. So I went to Nadia, there is a university called Dharamsi Desai University. And when the president heard that I want to work free of charge, he couldn't believe it. And he said, Dinesh bhai, you must come here. Don't consider any other university. And he said, if government doesn't give you money to buy instrument for nanotechnology, he said, we would spend our own money, but you come here. So he was very enthusiastic, and so I decided to go to Nadiad. And Nadiad is also 27 miles from my hometown, Kapadwar. So I thought on some weekends, once a month, I can visit my hometown and refresh the old memories. So it was then first January 26, there was Dhwaj Vandan on the campus. All the students come and stand in rows. And for me, after staying 50 years here, I had completely forgotten what Dhwaj Vandan was about. And then to my surprise, the president said, Dinesh bhai, we will do Dhwaj Vandan at your hand. So he said, you go there and pull the string. So when I pulled the string, the flag opened up and a lot of flower petals fell down and I was sort of surprised. I had forgotten that with Dhwaj Vandan, these flower petals will come down. Anyway, and then President says, give a brief speech. So I gave a brief speech that from 1857 to 1947, when we became independent, a lot of people have sacrificed their life. Mahatma Gandhi spent total 11 years in jail of his life. So and then Jallianwala Bagh and all those things, Subhash Chandra Bose and Azadi Hind Fauj. So I narrated some of those things, but my own speech caused my heart to stop. I was emotionally all excited. So then after the Dhwaj Vandan, I went to my office, closed the door, and started writing a poem. And the poem was, the poem was that Saat Samandar Par Kari, હું ઘર આંગણમાં આવ્યો છું. માં તવ ચરણોમાં ધરવા ફૂલ અનેરા લાવ્યો છું. So it is addressing Bharat Mata that I have brought a lot of gifts for you and that I crossed 7 oceans to come to my घर आंगन के अपने घर के आंगन में मैं आ गया हूँ. And then it says in all sacred ceremony we do home, havan, yajna. So I said that to offer to that havan, I have brought a lot of things. And then he said, with working with everybody together, I want to write a golden page in your history or in your ongoing history. So it was a very powerful song, and now Uday Bhai will present that song about Saat Samandar, that 7 oceans I have crossed and I have come to my own home's courtyard.
Dish, so I'll give my best. सात समंदर पार करी आयो छू मातव चरणों माधरवा मातव चरणों माधरवा श्रद्धाना पुष्पो लाव्यो छू सात समंदर पार करी प्रजातंत्रना पावन प्रजातंत्रना पावन पर्वे ध्वज वंदन करवायो प्रजातंत्रना पावन पर्वे ध्वज वंदन करवायो 50 वर्ष की सेवेला सुनेरी स्वप्ना लायो छू 50 वर्ष की सेवेला सपनो लायो छू 50 वर्ष की सेवेला सुनेरी स्वप्नो लायो छू धुनी दलाई धुनी दलाई धुनी दलाई शोषण जननी विज्ञान मंत्रो लायो छू धुनी दलाई संशोधननी विज्ञान मंत्रो लायो छू पालनु तुझे गौरव गात पालनु तुझे नवगव गात मूलवाने आयो छू सात समुंदर पार करी घर आयो छू सात समंदर पार करी घर आयो छू मातव चरणों माधरवा श्रद्धाना पुष्पो लायो छू सात समंदर पार करी घर आयो छू घर आयो छू घर आयो छू
One day, I decided to write something about the various seasons. Throughout the year, we have winter, spring, summer, monsoon, and Pankar, these different seasons. And I wrote a poem, Soneri Sanj, and really I say that each season gives us some message. कि सोनेरी सांझ पाछी वळशे कोई सवारना किरणो थईने आ पूर डूब्या अरमान घणा पाछा वळशे स्वप्नो थईने पान खर्या पाछा वळशे कोई वसंतनी शोभा थईने सूका सरोवर पाछा वळशे वरसाद तणा बिंदु थईने. So what it means is that in Jindagi there is always cycle. if something sad happens, then something good will also happen. And so in this poem, that what is the message that comes out of each of these seasons, winter, Vasant, and summer, monsoon and Pankar, all of these things, and it will be presented by our special singer, Kusumben Patel.
Request, and for his birthday, I would like to sing. सोनेरी साज पाछे वळशे कोई सवार ना किरणों थईने सोनेरी साज पाछे वळशे कोई सवार ना किरणों थईने आऊर डूब्या अरमान घड़ा पाछा वळशे स्वप्नों थईने आऊर डूब्या अरमान घड़ा पाछा वळशे स्वप्नों थईने सोनेरी साज पाछे वळशे कोई सवार ना किरणों थईने पान खरा पाछा वळशे कोई वसंतनी शोभा थईने पान खरा पाछा वळशे कोई वसंतनी शोभा थईने सुका सरोवर पाछा वळशे वरसाद तना बिंदु थईने सुका सरोवर पाछा वळशे वरसाद तना बिंदु थईने सोनेरी साज पाछे वळशे कोई सवार ना किरणों थईने यो खेळे मर जीवा पाछा वळशे मोती लईने दरियो खेळे मर जीवा पाछा वळशे मोती लईने अरे मौत कभी पाछो वळशे कोई बार तणो जीवन थईने अरे मौत कभी पाछो वळशे कोई बार तणो जीवन थईने सोनेरी साज पाछे वळशे कोई सवार ना किरणों थईने दुखना दिवसो पाछा वळशे सुखना शुभ अवसर थईने दुखना दिवसो पाछा वळशे सुखना शुभ अवसर थईने बीज वाव्यो जमीन पाछो वळशे બોર્યું જમીન પાછું વળશે ખૂબ દાન ભર્યા ખેતર થઈને સોનેરી સાજ પાછી વળશે કોઈ સવારના કિરણો થઈને નિસ્વાર્થ સેવા પાછી વળશે નિસ્વાર્થ સેવા પાછી વળશે કોઈ અંતરના આશીષ થઈને નિસ્વાર્થ સેવા પાછી વળશે કોઈ અંતરની આશીષ થઈને આવરડું અરમાન ઘણા પાછા વળશે સ્વપ્નો થઈને આવરડું અરમાન ઘણા પાછા વળશે સ્વપ્નો થઈને સોનેરી સાજ પાછી વળશે કોઈ સવારના કિરણો થઈને સોનેરી સાજ પાછી વળશે કોઈ સવારના કિરણો થઈને કોઈ સવારના કિરણો થઈને કોઈ સવારના કિરણો Thank you. Thank you so much. I was so nervous in the beginning, but this is for you only, this prize.
Prove that you are a professional singer. Like the people sitting on the stage.
No, won't be.
No.
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Thank you.
I remember.
For Punjabi society, and he spends a lot of time. And then your boy, who was at that time, we call him.
So that's the other son that he played tabla.
And I'm not forgotten. You're wonderful.
Thank you so much.
You just did that.
We did some work together. Yeah.
What a small world. Well, the next song, you know, when you're enjoying something, time goes very fast. I look at it, so now we are close to 8:15. So let me come to the final song here by our well-known singer, Balloon Shah. But let me introduce, she's going to sing a very wonderful song. I thought that all poets write something about Radha and Krishna and their love. And I have not written any poem about Radha Krishna. So one day I thought, let me write something about Radha Krishna and gopis and all these tofan masti which Krishna used to do, harass them, sort of all these gopis. So I thought that would be a good topic to write a song. So this is how that song went. Ame bhola dilna bharwada. Our gopio catch it. All gopis are saying that we are the shepherd girls. અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું, મહિની અમારી ખાલી ગાગર માધવથી ભરી જાશું. કે અમારી જે મહિની એટલે જે દહીં વેચવા જાય છે ખાલી ગાગર, we will fill up with Madhav. And you know, in the old time, if you have to cross a deep river or something, you used to take gado or gagar and put it inverted so that there is air which keep it floating, and then you hold the neck of that and you cross. So all these gopis are saying કે અમે ભવસાગર તરી જઈશું. કઈ રીતે ભવસાગર તરી જઈશું? So it's by holding this empty pot, but inside there is a Madhav. So there was a well-known Sanchalak called Mukesh Joshi. He's a poet, and he was introducing this song. So he said, Dinesh Bhai in the first line wrote two important things to cross Bhavsagar. Ame bhola dil, innocent-hearted people, not cunning, not crafty, not dav pech lagawana. We are the bhola dilna bharwada. He said that's a requirement one to cross the ocean, like the ocean. And second thing, amari khali gagar senathi bharwani, ઘરેણાથી, ડાયમંડ જ્વેલરીથી, પૈસાથી, કે ખાલી ગાગરને માધવથી ભરવાની. You have to put Madhav in that gagar. He says these are the two conditions to cross Bhavsagar. And this is, અને પછી તો એના શબ્દો છે, અમે ઘેલા મનના ગોકુળવાસી મધુર કેણમાં ભરમાશું, વાંસળીના મીઠા સુરથી જમના તટ દોડી જાશું. કાનુડા તારા મોર પીંછના રંગો પર મોહી જાશું, નટખટ તારા નાચ ઉપર અમે વારી વારી જાશું. લઈ ફરિયાદો તોફાનોની જશોદાની પાસે જાશું, માળી તો સાચું ન માને જૂઠા થઈ પાછા જાશું. કાંકર મારી ગાગર ફોડી ગોકુળ છોડી ક્યાં જાશું? ચારે રસ્તા રોકે માધવ ગોકુળમાં વૈકુંઠ ભાવ. એ ગોપી કહે છે કે આ ગોકુળમાં જ અમને સ્વર્ગ જેવું સુખ છે, વૈકુંઠ જેવું. અને છેલ્લી બે લાઈનમાં કહે છે કે માધવ તારા કામણ ગારા નયનો નહીં વિસારા. કે કૃષ્ણ ભગવાનની આઈઝ were so touching. They said, Madhav તારા કામણ ગારા નયનો નહીં વિસારા. I will never forget your beautiful eyes. And પછી શું કહે છે લાસ્ટ લાઈનમાં ગોપી કે યુગ યુગ વીતે સુકાયના તારા વિરહના આંસુ. કે when Lord Krishna leaves Gokul and goes to Mathura, then all gopis are missing him, and so they cry. So she says, even after ages and ages, my tears are not going to dry up. It will continue to flow from my eyes. But after writing this song, I said, I may have written only one song on Radha Krishna and Gopi, that I have done a good job on that song. And this is the joy of life, okay? That really, my songs I written really to teach me how to live life, okay? So I write songs that I learn from my own song. And so now, Pallavi Band, I request Pallavi Band, the Koyal Kanti of our SN2, to do justice to this song, okay?
અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા, અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું બહેની અમારી ખાલી ગાગર માદરથી ભરી જાશું બહેની અમારી ખાલી ગાગર માદરથી ભરી જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું અમે ખેલા મનના ગોકુળવાસી અમે ખેલા મનના ગોકુળવાસી મધુર કહેણમાં ભરમાશું અમે ખેલા મનના ગોકુળવાસી મધુર કહેણમાં ભરમાશું વાંસળીના મીઠા સુરથી જમના તક દોડી જાશું વાંસળીના મીઠા સુરથી જમના તક દોડી જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા કાનુડા પર મોર પીછના રંગો પર મોહી જાશું કાનુડા તારા મોર પીછના રંગો પર મોહી જાશું નટખટ તારા નાચો પર અમે વારી વારી જાશું નટખટ તારા નાચો પર અમે વારી વારી જાશું લઈ ફરિયાદો લઈ ફરિયાદો તોફાનોની જશોદાની પાસે જાશું લઈ ફરિયાદો તોફાનોની જશોદાની પાછે જાશું માડી તો કછું ન માને જૂઠા થઈ પાછા જાશું માડી તો કછું ન માને જૂઠા થઈ પાછા જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા કાગર મારી કાગર ફોડી ગોકુળ છોડી ક્યાં જાશો કાગર મારી કાગર ફોડી ગોકુળ છોડી ક્યાં જાશો ચારે રસ્તા રોકે માધવ ગોકુળમાં વૈકુંઠ ભાળું ચારે રસ્તા રોકે માધવ ગોકુળમાં વૈકુંઠ ભાળું માધવ તારા કામણ તારા નયો નહીં વિસારું માધવ તારા કામણ તારા નયો નહીં વિસારું માધવ તારા કામણ તારા માધવ તારા કામણ તારા નયો નહીં વિસારું યુગ યુગ બીત સુકાયલા તારા વિહના આંસુ યુગ યુગ બીત સુકાયલા તારા વિહના આંસુ અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા ભવસાગર તરી જાશું અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા અમે ભોળા દિલના ભરવાડા
you're a professional singer. Okay. Really, no, this is wonderful.
Thank you.
And I thought that music એ પણ એક જાતનો વાઇન છે. It really goes to your heart, goes to your brain. You thoroughly enjoy. અને એ જ રીતે હું બધાને કહું, મારા સ્ટુડન્ટને કહેતો હતો કે મારી કવિતામાં જ્યાં જામની વાત આવે ને, I'm not thinking about this illegal wine in Gujarat, but I'm talking about knowledge, science, vigyan, understanding molecules and atoms. એ બી એક જાતનો વાઇન છે કે you feel very happy when you discover something new that other people have not noticed before. So that's a wine. તો એકવાર હું જતો હતો લાંબી મુસાફરી પ્લેનમાં. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, I'm glad. I was in business class. It was a long flight. So the air hostess came and gave me wine in the glass. But a glass half was barayo, any bottle empty. The bottle was empty. So she said, of course she was a very good-looking air hostess. And the hair I'm zoom karina maneko, sir, I'll bring another bottle. And then she went back. Then a thought came to my mind. All of you have heard of a poet called Umar Khayyam? Umar Khayyam? Yeah. Okay, he was a Persian poet. And he wrote a famous line, a loaf of bread, jug of wine, and thou besides me, it must be heaven. કે એ સ્વર્ગ જેવું સુખ, આ ત્રણ વસ્તુથી. તો મને વિચાર એવો આવ્યો કે મારી જગ્યાએ ઉમર ખાયા બેઠો એ બિઝનેસ ક્લાસમાં, તો એણે શું લખ્યો કે આ પેલી બાઈએ થોડું વાઇન આપ્યું ને પછી અડધો જ કપ ભરાય એટલે પાછી લેવા ગઈ નવી બોટલ. તો પછી મેં મારી નોટબુક કાઢીને કવિતા લખી. તો કવિતા લખીને હું જ્યારે પાછો આવ્યો ને તો મારા સ્ટુડન્ટને સરપ્રાઈઝ થઈ ગયું. Dr. Shah, we never thought that you would write poem like this. But I said, I wasn't writing, it's the Umar Khayyam who wrote it. તો મને થયું કે એઝ એ ફાઇનલ આઇટમ ઓફ અવર પ્રોગ્રામ. કેટલી મિનિટ બાકી છે? Okay. So let me. શીર્ષક છે ભરી દો જામ મારા હાથમાં સુરાહી લઈ. કે પેલો એ ઉમર ખ્યામ પ્લેનમાં બેઠા બેઠા લખે છે કે સાકી જામ જલ્દી આપો, રાત બહુ ઓછી રહી છે, સુરાહીમાં મદિરા ઓછી ને તરસ મારી વધી રહી છે. Okay, that's what the poet says. કે please give me the wine because the night is very short now, what is remaining of night. And in Surahi, my Madeira is less and my thirst is increasing. Saki, and then this next line is very powerful. Saki mana hi suwade taraj a mai khana. The Umar Khayyam says, let me sleep here in this wine hall. Why? Because nahi to jam kaun aapse mujhne vehli sawar. In other words, he's so addicted to that jam that even when he wakes, he would like to have the glass of wine. Bhari do jam mara haathma surahi lai, madira ochine taras mari vadi rahi. Then the poet says, Chalkavi mara jam, najar zukavi dei, aankhoti ne aankho jara milavi dei, tamara smit na chamkar ne batavi dei. Because all of these things that air hostess did, smile and looking at your eye to eye, and then he said, Tari aankho mahu joto mari chavi. The poet says that I'm looking in your eye and I see in that eye my image. मारा हૈये छे तारी एक नाजुक छवि कि मारा हृदय में I have a delicate image of you. तारा जाम में छुपाई छे कई खूबी कि there must be something in your wine that makes me feel this way. પછી કે જગતથી થાકીને આવ્યો હું માયખાને જઈ કે after getting tired of this world, finally to really rest, I came to your Maikhana, your wine hall. Ashik chu taro ne tu che mashu kumari. That's what he says. And then, last two lines, it says, Srushtina kankarma dekhati tu pari. The poet is so infatuated with that wine server that he said, wherever I see even small particle of sand, I tari chavi dekhai chhe. Okay, that's what he says. Srushtina kankarma dekhati tu pari. And at the last line, he says, "A safar che maikhana-ni aakhri." In other words, in Muslim religion, there is no reincarnation. They think this is the last life. Yeah. So, "A safar che maikhana-ni aakhri, saki jam jaldi aapo." And raat bahu ochi rahi chhe. And આમ meaning તમે કરો તો રાત બહુ ઓછી રહી છે that is our life. લોકો ફિલોસોફર એવું કહે છે કે જેને આપણે જિંદગી કહીએ છીએ ખરેખર ડ્રીમ છે. This whole life is nothing but a dream. And the dream comes at night. So the poet says here that it's રાત બહુ ઓછી રહી છે. And we are all in the fourth quarter. I may also mention one thing. I hope all of you were touched by my colleague Baldev Sikri's lecture yesterday. He gave that lecture yesterday. So I was telling him that what I heard all the Pandit in my temple, you just gave a scientific basis of that temple. And if you remember, I got up and said that I wish that poor people living around our vicinity, consider that Shantiniketan, thy second name is Chariot. That's what I said. That we should be known by just like Parsis are known for their charity, we should be known by our charity. And so, on this good occasion, and final evening, I would definitely that Lake Care Food Pantry, on this good occasion, on the name of Shantiniketan, I'll give $1,000 to that food pantry. And I hope we continue this tradition, that soon from one it becomes 10,000 and 100,000, but we should be known that we care for poor people living around us. And so I want to end with that good thought. And the last thing I would like to do is our distinguished panel of musicians here. They have made this evening most memorable for all of us. And particularly the two of my favorite songs, Tumka Chalat Ramachandra Bajat Pajanya and Payoji Mena Ram Ratan.
One more song from them. You want to do one short?
They say one more song from you, so please satisfy them. It's my birthday celebration. So nobody should go home unsatisfied.
Hindi song.
You all to help me with. The words are, I'll just sing thoda sa. That song written by my father. Tumhe janmdin ki badhai hamari. Right? And then the second line is Hazaro baras ki umar ho tumhari.
क्या बात है
तो आप मेरा साथ में गाया। तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी, तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी।
हजारों बरस की
उम्र हो तुम्हारी, हजारों बरस की उम्र हो तुम्हारी। तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी। न तकदीर का तेरी करे तुझको करे तुझको दिल, न दुख दर्द का घर कभी हो तेरा दिल। हर एक गाप तेरा बने एक मंजिल, हर एक गाप तेरा बने एक मंजिल। यही आज आदेश दुआ है हमारी। तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी, तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी। हजारों बरस की उम्र हो तुम्हारी, हजारों बरस की उम्र हो तुम्हारी। तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी, तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी, तुम्हें जन्मदिन की बधाई हमारी। तो 1 मिनट के लिए आप हमारे साथ गाइए। हमने भगवान के नाम से शुरू किया, अब भगवान के नाम से हम शुरू अंत सब भगवान ही है। आप सबका बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच। Such a lovely audience. It's been an enjoyable evening for all of us. Thank you to my musicians. Thank you, Udaiji. Dr. G, always happy to see you. Very nice. And this place looks so nice. It's a possible future. Who knows?
All senior citizens,
I'm getting
this
there.
is heaven on earth.
I'm seeing that. I am seeing that. It's so beautiful. Enjoy this place, this atmosphere you have here. May you keep having it as beautiful as it is. So the simple Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Bolo Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Bolo Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Shri Ram आप सबको शुभ रात्रि. Have a safe journey home.
Yeah, right here.